Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Ekta Chandravanshi from Department of Physics, Kalinga University. I welcome all the graduate and postgraduate student internship program. Here in the Department of Physics, we are providing two different research aspects in the field of material science and astrophysics. We encourage the highly motivated and bright student from Kalinga University and other institute to pursue innovative research at international level. Our physics labs are well equipped with the experimental and computing facilities. We are providing the student with the basic knowledge of material science and astrophysics, along with the literature survey. Here the students are also going to learn about the various material synthesis characterization and also the characterization studies like XRD, SEM, FTIR and UV visible spectroscopy available at our CIF labs. In the astrophysics field, we are going to introduce students with the current research going on in astronomy, astrophysics and cosmology. Apart from this, we are also going to provide the student with the basic programming skills like Python and Fortran. In this program, we are also providing the student with the statistical knowledge. This internship will enhance the research developing skills of the student and also strengthen their resume for the desired job.